Many people think nowadays that God created us and just forget us. He didn't care about our life. He created this world for His enjoyment. So today we will answer this question, why God really created us and what is our purpose in our life. So today we have our pastor, Pastor Lender. He will discuss us the real purpose our life in this world.
Many people nowadays, they are curious about their reason, their purpose of life. Actually, many philosophers are asking themselves, asking people, what is the reason? Why are they alive? And for this time, I will just want to share about God because uh, His creation has purpose. God created us with a great purpose. And this purpose is to enjoy Him, to glorify Him, and to worship Him. Actually, this is our main goal of life. And this goal, sometimes we neglected, for we are wicked, we are sinners, we just want to have a happy life apart from the Lord. So this time, I just want to share that it is important for us to know God. Who is this God? God is our creator. He created all things. He created the trees and even the whole and entire cosmos. Actually, this is the most important thing that we should know. For we are just a creation and a creature that was created by God. So before anything, we should know first who is God before we know our real purpose and our real reason why we are alive as of now. And we should understand that this is the truth. The Bible is not just an evidence that there is a God. In Genesis chapter 1 verse 1, it proclaims that in the beginning God created the heavens and the earth. So actually, it is the proclamation, not just an evidence for us that there is a God. The God of the Bible is not just a merely part of an history of Israel, but it is the truth, 100% sure, and we should know it with a purpose. It is to glorify God. So this is what I will share, and thank you. God bless.